Hey everyone, welcome back to C Studio AI Robotics channel. The reBot Arm B601 you've been waiting for so long is now fully open sourced. We plan to release in February, but Chinese New Year holiday came, shut down manufacturing and logistics, so validation got delayed. We truly appreciate all your patience. Over the past month, we rebuilt the ARM from scratch again and again. Assembly, testing, iteration, fatigue test, load and overload test. We take open source seriously. Without fully validating core performance and removing key dev barriers, we wouldn't release it. And meanwhile, the team has been working on ROS 2, Pinocchio kinematics, gravity compensation, the reBot platform, and SXM integration, so the ARM fits seamlessly into modern robotic stacks, and tutorials will roll out this month. We also brought the prototype to NVIDIA GTC. The response? Way beyond expectations. People didn't just ask about it, they tried to buy the prototype on the spot. So yes, we're going all in on open source. Now you can find everything on GitHub. The roadmap includes the full BOM, and all step files are already open. You can modify the 3D model directly, with detailed part info and reference pricing. One note again, the current release is based on Damiao motors only. The reBot dynamic motor version is under testing and may deliver even better results. We'll definitely release detailed assembly videos with foolproof design improvements for easier setup. Full documentation and tutorials from basic to advanced will roll out for free in April. There may still be improvements ahead. We keep iterating. Open source is not the end, it's just the beginning. We hope to build this together with community for learning and real-world deployment. GitHub link is in the comments. Drop us a star if you like it.